Hello students, today we are going to study how to read log table. Okay, let's find log of 24.39. Okay, first see how many digits are there before decimal point. So before decimal point you can see here there are 2 digits. Okay, just do -1. Number of digits -1. Okay, so 2 digits -1 is 1. So 1 point something is the answer. Now let's see the log table. Before now the numbers are, just ignore the decimal point. The number is 2439, right? First two numbers is of a row. Okay. Third number is the column number. And fourth number is the fourth digit is the mean difference. Okay. Now let's see row number 24, column number 3 in the log table. Row number 24, column number 3. So when you see row number 24, column number 3, the number is 3674. Correct? While reading this, you have to be very careful whether you are seeing the log table. You check the heading, it has to be a log table. Okay, and the columns are 0 1 2 3 4 5. So there is a column called as 0 also, don't forget that. Okay, so yes, row number 24, column number 3. Row number 24, column number 3 is 3856. Correct? Row number 24, column number 3, the number is 3856. So I'll just write 3856. And then you have to see the mean difference. Mean difference is 9. Correct? So row number 24, mean difference 9. Row number 24, mean difference 9 is 16. Correct? See, mean difference 9, row number 24. It is 16. Just add 16. Add 16 to this. When you add, becomes 3872. Right? So 1.3872 is the log of 24.39. Got it? We'll solve one more log. Okay. Let's find log of 2. When I say log of 2, 2 means 2.00. Correct? 2 means 2.00. So before the decimal point there is 1 digit. Correct? So 1 digit minus 1. 1 digit minus 1 is 0. 0 point something. Okay? Now ignore the decimal point. Okay? So 200. So you check row number 20, column number 0. Row number 20, column number 0. Row number 20, column number 0 is 3010. Correct? Row number 20, column number 0 is 3010. Right? So there is no mean difference, or I can say mean difference is 0 only. So when you add 0, it is 3010 only. So 3010. So log of 2 is 0.3010. Okay. Let's find log of 20. Okay. When you find log of 20, 20 is 20.00. There are 2 digits before decimal. So 2 digit minus 1 is 1. 1 point. Okay. And the number is 2000. Right. 20th row 0 column, we already know it is 3010. And mean difference is 0 only. Right. So log of 20 is 1.3010. Okay. I believe everybody understood how to read log table. Now let's find anti-log. Okay. So anti-log of suppose 1.6392. Okay. Let's find anti-log of 1.6392. Now you have to see only the point part, okay, which is 0.6392. So let's check anti-log table. When you see anti-log table, so if you see anti-log table, the rows are 0.00, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03 till 0.99. Okay. And the columns are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mean difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Okay. Now you have to ignore first whatever is there before the decimal. Just concentrate on the numbers which is after the decimal, which is 6392. Okay. 0.6392. This is your row, 9th column, and second mean difference. 4th digit is the mean difference. So 0.63 and 9th column, 0.63. Row is 0.63 and 9th column. Okay. Row 0.63 and 9th column. So 0.63 and 9th column is 4355. Correct? 0.63 9th column is 4355. Okay. So I'll write here 4355. Point 63 9th column is 4355. Okay. And the mean difference is 2. So let's see the mean difference. For 2, it is 2 only. Right? For 0.63, the mean difference of 2 is 2. Correct? So, plus 2. When you add it, it becomes 4357. Right? So, antilog of 1.6392 is 4357. Now, what you are supposed to do is see the number which is before the decimal point. The number is 1. Correct? The number is 1. Just add 1 to it. Okay? 1 plus 1. It is 2. After 2 numbers, you have to put the decimal point. So, 43.57. So, antilog of 1.6392 is 43.57. Okay. We'll solve one more. Let's find antilog of 2.7182. Okay. So, after the decimal, the number is 0.7182. So, 0.71 row and 8th column. Let's see. 0.71 and 8th column. It is 5224. Right? So, 5224. And 2 is the mean difference. So 0.71 mean difference is 2. So the is 2 only. It is 2 only. So plus 2. This comes to 5226. Correct? 5226. Before the decimal point, the number is 2. Correct? So just do 2 plus 1, which comes to 3. So after the third number, you have to put a decimal point. So antilog of 2.7182 is 522.6. Okay. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day.